Yo guys, welcome back to the gang. Gang. It's your boy Tenemsko, and in today's video, we are back with another banger for you, you know what I'm saying? And it's again a continuation of the how to make your own Durag series. And you know, this part of my channel, the Durag part, how to make your own Durag part, is really special to me because this is the video that allowed me to keep doing YouTube, that gave me hope that I had a chance to do like this YouTube shit, you know what I'm saying? So I just always try my best to come up with better versions of the t-shirt Durag or the homemade Durag, you know what I mean? And also versions that require a minimum amount of hassle, you know what I mean? So yeah, in today's video we're gonna make a Durag out of a t-shirt, but I found another way of tying it that is actually better and that will give you more compression than the standard way, the previous way I showed you, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get it. So yeah, again, in this video, you got a t-shirt, you know what I'm saying? I got this shit from Primark. So all you're gonna do, you're gonna take the t-shirt, take it like that. You see the two sleeves? Tuck them in. Then hold this part here. Hold it like this. Then just do it like that. Just take it like that. Grab it firmly like this, and then do the same with this part. Grab it firmly like this. Now, what you're gonna do is, once you hold it, you see, there'll be a space inside of it. Do you know what I'm saying? This space here, you're gonna keep it open. Pop it on your head, just like this. Yo guys, if you're interested in designer durags, designer face mask, and other designer accessories that are not really available, man's got you, fam. Just go to Swag Rag, swipe up, or click the link in the description depending on where you are. You can get whatever you want. Durags, face mask, headbands. Just use my code Tenemsko the 7th for both man them and gal them. You know what I'm saying? And then boom, you're gonna use that. Now all you gotta do here is that from the back you can see a middle part that I'm pulling down. Basically pull that down. Do you know what I mean? That's the back of the Durag. And now you're gonna proceed to like stretching both extremes, grabbing them properly, have a good grasp of it, and then tie it. But I would advise you not to tie it, but kind of tie it, but then just roll it. You will see what I'm talking about when I pat it down here and there. That's it. You go yourself with a Durag. Do you know what I'm saying, man? It looks good. There's more compression. And yeah. The only thing about this Durag here is that you need more power in your arms, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you go do some push-ups and, you know what I'm saying? Get powerful, fact, you know what I'm saying? What's saying? You have to get a bit of hands, you know what I'm saying? This is a good occasion for you to, you know, do your thing, do your fun, you know what I'm saying? But let me give you a quick disclaimer though. Let me give you a quick disclaimer is that, you see this Durag here? It's gonna dry the shit out of your hair. So what I advise you is like, if you use this Durag here, make sure you over moisturize your hair so that when you take it out, it's not gonna suck out everything, you know what I mean? But yeah guys, it was your boy Tenemsko. Make sure you like, subscribe and share, and I'm out. I think I'm lying here, look. I don't do waves anymore, but look at how flat it made my hair. You know what I mean? But me, I'm never going back to the wave gang in it, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't know, man. That shit almost gave me like a bald patch in the middle of my hair. So the crown part, I'm having problems with growing it back, and I don't want to go bald at the age of 20 something. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and share with your boy Tenemsko. And I'm out, gang, gang, gang. Nigga, phone, you know what I'm saying?